Hi there and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. About to do a little product review. Got the Toro real drive self-propelled mower right here. Got it fully gassed, fully oiled. Comes with a bagger, but we're gonna use the Mower option. We're just gonna do this little patch of grass and probably not even the whole thing. We got a great big magnolia tree right here. And if you know anything about magnolia trees drop bombs. These little things right here. And if you watch my channel, you might have seen me hit batting practice with these things. But this is the seed pod. Normally there'll be little red seeds in there, but they're not. You want to pick these up. You do not want the lawnmower blade to hit them. They will tear it up. Lawnmower blades are about $20 a piece, so if you just feel like wasting 20 bucks, run them over all you want. If you didn't know that, these pine cones hitting roots, stumps and shit, your lawnmower is only really made to cut grass, folks. I mean, that's it. And some weeds. So, just the grass ain't even tall. It's really good grass. You see, it does got a couple little weeds in it, which is perfect. This is Eleanor's yard, my 74-year-old best friend, fibromyalgia, however you say it. And, she just got this lawnmower for herself, even though I have a really big, fancy X mark that would take me 2 swipes to cut, well, about five swipes to do the front yard, about 15 to do the back. I guess we can see how to do. Had to put camera in the shade. If you look, you can see the tree shade on the outline right here. Everything else is in the sun and burning hot. I guess I could go underneath the magnolia tree, but either way, it don't really matter. We're just gonna see how this thing cuts right quick. See if zooming in and helping that. All right, I'll give you a good honest review. Didn't pay no attention. Went the wrong way. It's light. Not like cheap light, just light. Um, I just realized something too. The push bone that I have used with self-propel was always front wheel drive. So when you come to a point where you turn around, you just lift the wheels up. They can keep spinning. And then when you come back down, you put it down. You can't do that with the back. They keep spinning, so you actually have to release the mechanism that engages the self-propulsion to make turns. Otherwise, you'll be binding the gears that actually make the self-propulsion, would be bad. So you have to keep that in mind. It took me 2 swipes to realize it. The self-propelled wheels are actually fast. A little bit faster than I actually like to walk mowing grass to me. So it'd be interesting to see how Eleanor is with it. But the reality is I'm hoping that Eleanor never has to cut grass again. This particular square of grass is her measure that she can still do things. You know what I mean? So she always said that she got to the point where she couldn't mow this grass. Maybe she would think about other things other than staying here because she couldn't maintain it. And you just seen I mowed the grass. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen. She's been my neighbor for almost 40 years now, and I'm hoping it should be the whole rest of her life or my life or whoever's. But that's her new lawnmower. It did pretty good. I hope she never gets to use it straight up. But it is a good one. I would recommend it. Out the box, I think it was like $500. I got it pretty nasty right now. I actually cut the grass a little bit too short. Remember, I use a Ryan lawnmower, so sometimes I forget to do things, and one of those things is adjust the wheels. And it has wheel adjustments on here that I could have did that, and I'm pretty sure that's the lowest setting. Is it not for both sides or just one? Let's see. So normally you push this back, if you've never done it before, and you push forward, and if you see, it does raise it. Yeah, raise it. So let's go to the highest setting, and I don't see a raise bar, so it looks like it raised it evenly on that. So that's very nice. And the back, I do see something. Not sure what that means. Okay, so it does raise it. Are they proportionate to each other though? It's got some nice lift up there. I don't know if you can tell, if you even know what that means. It means you can go through higher grass easily, so you don't bog the engine down. When you're going through high grass or you hit stuff and you bog the engine down, you come that much closer to destroying your engine. So here it is. It's the Toro, guaranteed to start. GTS 144 cc's. It's got a little bit of torque to it. I gotta say she's a good one. She got a nice bag with it. Here's the box. Oh, here's some Eleanor's plants too, for you people who like plants. And look, she's had these flowers about 5-6 years now. Grown from that. There's 3 or 4 of them. Doing really good. Look at this bee right here doing a little bit of pollinating. This old honey crusted thing. Got a few more older pink azaleas. Been pruning these bushes since they've been here. Some of them I put in here. Now here's that bag. Let me show you the bag. So the bag's pretty cool. It's got little flaps on the side right there. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see. Skid guard at the bottom. Let's check how easy it is to take this on and off. Sometimes that could be a problem, but I'm sure they have it figured out by now. See, Eleanor keeps a very nice yard. 74 years old, does it? Primarily by herself. You know what I mean? All right. So any bag, if it's any good, it don't take a second to put on. Lift this flap. You're done. Okay. I recommend it. It's worth it. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button, share the video, subscribe if you haven't. Hold up. Yeah. Another thing, before you do anything like this, make sure you wear eye and ear protection. I even have eye protection on me. You know what I mean? You never know when something's gonna come flying out, hit you. Any small engine, large engine, anything that makes a loud noise has the potential to give you some form of hearing loss, and you always want to protect that. So, my bad, guys. But that should always be priority number one.